Using the limit definition of derivative, let's find the slope of the tangent line to the function f of x equals to 3x squared minus x at the given point. Determine the equation of the tangent line at that point. Okay, let's do it. So we always start with the definition. So f prime of x, that is equals to limit as h approaches to 0. We have f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So that is the first step, or you can call that the step 0. And then step 1, you plug in x plus h. So limit as h approaches to 0. So x plus h is you replace the x with x plus h. So 3x plus h squared minus not x anymore. That is also x plus h. You put parenthesis in there because there is a minus. And then you minus f of x, right? So the f of x is the original function. So 3x squared minus h. And then you divide the whole thing by h, right? So let's label these things a little bit. So this is x plus h, and then this is x. I should say f of x, and then this is f of x plus h, and then divided by h. So regarding this x plus h, the plug-in, this is called composition function. All right, composition function. And then the next step is you fully open the top equals to limit as h approaches to 0. So we should draw a long fraction bar, and then we have 3, and then you square that becomes x squared plus xh plus xh, so that will be 2. So 2xh plus h squared, and then minus x minus h minus 3x squared minus x, and then divided by h. And then the next step is you distribute the 3, so you have limit as h approaches to 0, 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus x minus h minus 3x squared minus plus x. So, this is supposed to be a plus x, and then you have the whole thing divided by h. All right, let's do some cancellation. Let's do that in red. So first of all, I see a plus x, minus x, and a plus x, right? And then second of all, I see a 3x squared and then a negative 3x squared. Anything else? That's it. So they got cancelled, and then we have limit as h approaches to 0, 6xh plus 3h squared minus h. That's it, right? 6xh plus 3h squared minus h. Everything else got cancelled. The minus x plus x minus 3x squared and then plus 3x squared. All right, divided by h. So take a look at the top. What do they share in common? They share h in common. That means now we can factor out the h. Limit as h approaches to 0, you factor out the h, and then you have 6x plus 3 and then divided by, hold on, not yet. So you factor out the h, you have 6x plus 3h and then minus 1. Almost missed it. Divided by h. And then you can get rid of the h, right? This h, get rid of this h. So let me give you a warning. If this step is failed, if you cannot factor an h out to get rid of the h in the denominator, then the whole thing is wrong. If you are not able to show this step on a test, I am sure you're not getting any credits for this problem. So you fully expand the numerator, get rid of the line terms, and then after the simplification is done, you must be able to factor one h out from the rest of the terms. And then you take that h, get rid of the h in the denominator. If this step is failed, then you get a 0 for the entire problem. All right, so now the h is gone. We can plug in h goes to 0. So once plug in h goes to 0, so this h goes to 0, and then you only have 6x minus 1. So you only have 6x minus 1. What is this? This is called f prime of x. So this answer has a name that is called the slope of f at any x value. take a look at the original function, 3x squared minus x. This is a parabola, right? That means sometimes the slope is going downhill, sometimes the slope is going uphill. At the vertex, the slope is equals to 0. So that means the slope is changing all the time. If you pick any x value, you want to estimate the slope at that point, all you have to do is you plug in the x to f prime of x. So we have a point right here, 1, 2. This is a point on the graph, right? Because when x is equals to 1, 3, 1 squared minus 1, that is equals to 2. So you have an xy. I want you to find the tangent line. So what you have to find is, you need to find the slope. So when x is equals to 1, you plug it in, f prime, not f. You are looking for slope. Slope means f prime. So f prime of 1, that is equals to 6 times 1 minus 1, that is equals to 5. That means when, I should say at that point, at 1, 2, the slope of f is equals to 5. And then now you do the tangent line. So for the tangent line part, you have to recall that is called the point slope form. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. This is called point slope form. So you have y minus 2 equals to 5 times x minus 1. And then 5 minus 2 is equals to 5x minus 5, and then you add 2 on both sides. Y is equals to 5x minus 5 plus 2, so negative 5 plus 2, that is equals to negative 3. So what is this called? This is a tangent line. Or I should say the full name is equation of the tangent line to the function at this point, 1, 2. All right, so you have a parabola, right? You have a parabola. At this point, you want to find the slope. That is 1, 2. So the slope is equals to 5. And then the tangent line looks like this. So this is y equals to 5x minus 3. That is the tangent line. And then this point is 1, 2. All right, that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful and clear, give me a like, share the video for me, click the subscribe button. If you're on your way out, I will show you more in the next video. Signing off for now.